Hey guys, I'm going to do a walkthrough on how to install Windows 2012 on a virtual machine using VMware Workstation 15. So I'll do create a new virtual environment, typical, hit next, find installer. So that will be the 2012. Hit next. I'll ask you for a product key. I am going to pause this because I can't put the product key visible. So you'll enter your product key up here. Alright, so I pass that, I enter my key in. I'll hit next, and you want to make sure it's 60 gigs at least. You can split the virtual into multiple files. Splitting the disk makes it easier to move around, so I'll do that. And power on one is going to create it, hit finish. Now we'll just let it, let's see here, the virtual printing machine is globally, okay. Floating files. Now it's starting to run it, which is good. I'll come back to this once it's done. So the setup is starting right now. You get to this option, choose the server core instead. Hit next. That's going to copy files over. As you see here, it's still loading. As you see here, we have 100% getting ready, almost there. As you see, this is installing right now. Getting there. Installing tools. Backup files. Do you want to restart your configuration? Click yes to restart, or no if you plan to manually, just hit yes. Just waiting for a group policy, shutting down. Alright, so it's preparing. Make this a little bit bigger. You'll see some of the screen, not the whole screen. That's pretty much it. Now it's just going to complete. It's just about done right now, and you'll be able to sign in here shortly. Have any questions? Just let me know. Thanks. Bye.